Welcome Home by Elevation Rhythm. This song original key is going to be played in the key of F. We're going to be using our capo on the first fret, and we're going to be playing using our E shapes. Song honestly is such a good song. I was so excited whenever this album came out. Let me know what's your favorite song in the comments down below, and thank you guys for clicking on this video. Consider subscribing. I make videos like this all the time where I make tutorials, worship type videos. There's a love that knows no limits, brings the earth up to the heavens. Can you feel it stringing in your heart? Stop your running, look no further. Find your rest here, sons and daughters. There's a freedom in the house of God. So that is your verse 1 right there, you guys. So starting this song, we're only using 2 chords for the beginning. It's very simple, you guys. Starting off with the E chord, and then after you play your E chord, you're gonna switch to your A chord. So it's just a 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Strumming pattern is gonna be so the strumming is gonna be kind of like a mixture of hard strokes and short strokes, hard strokes and short strokes. Pay attention to the hard strokes, but going with the chords, we're gonna be doing our E to your A, back to your E, back to your A, and then with the verse. There's a love that knows no limits, brings the earth up to the heavens. Feel it stringing in your heart. Go ahead and practice that if you need to. We're switching pretty fast from E to A, E to A. Just making sure you stay on that tempo. The door is always open, the altar's wherever you make it. Already forgiven, it's never too late. So pre-chorus, we're starting off with our E shape, right, which is our 1. Start off with your 1, and then you're gonna go to your 3, which is your G minor right there. After your G minor, you're gonna go to your 4 right there. So 1, 3, 4. The door is always open, right? Back to your 1. The altar's wherever you make it. Okay? It's like a fast progression right there. You're already forgiven. It's never too late. Okay? So 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, the whole thing. Heaven is singing when we come home. The Father's waiting, is there one more? We lift our hands and say, yes, Lord. Can you hear him saying, welcome home? And then you'll go into your verse right after that. So chorus, also pretty simple. We're starting off with our 1. Heaven is singing where we come home, right? The Father's waiting, is there one more? So right here, optional. This personally, in my opinion, but this original song is just an E, right? But you could technically do an E sus here. I think it sounds great, but optional, like I said. Heaven is singing where we come home. The Father's waiting, is there one more? I think it sounds nicer, in my opinion. Up to you. You don't have to. We lift our hands and say, yes, Lord. So right here, we're playing a different chord. We're going to our A. We lift our hands and 4. We go to our D minor right here, and then to our F. Okay, so we lift our hands and say, yes, Lord. Okay, and then it repeats. Can you hear him saying, welcome home? Hopefully you got that. Play it one more time. Heaven is singing where we come home. The Father's waiting, is there one more? Then we lift our hands and say, yes, Lord. Can you hear him saying, welcome home? Okay, so those are fast switches. Practice it if you need to. You guys got it. It's not that hard. If you practice it, take it slow at first. If you're beginning, take it nice and slow, and then little by little you can speed it up. We lift our hands and say, yes, Lord. Can you hear him saying, welcome home? Let me show you guys the strumming pattern for the chorus. It's gonna be a heaven is singing where we come home. So it's a down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, that's what you're gonna play at the first two lines because you're playing that one. Heaven is singing where we come home. The Father's saying, is there one more? We lift our hands. So once we switch to that second half of the chorus, we lift our hands and say, yes, Lord. So we switch the strumming to just a downstroke, just so that we can be fast on those switches, right? We lift our hands and say, yes, Lord. Can you hear him saying, welcome home? Just two downstrokes on each chord, so. And obviously on that E you build it a little bit just to go back to that A. Hopefully that makes sense. Go ahead and practice it if you need to. Born again, a new creation. Life begins with our salvation. Forever with the Father is our hope. So right there, like I said, very end it switches a little bit. Everything else for the verse 2 is the same. It's just the E, A, E, A. But at the very end, we're gonna be doing these small little hits. We're gonna do our D sharp. We're gonna be doing our D minor here, D minor to our C, and then to our 4 right there, right? So you walk that down. The King is here. Lift your hands. Come and receive the Savior. With open hearts we declare Jesus is our salvation. So clap your hands, move your feet. This is a celebration. Angels dance as we sing. Jesus is our salvation. Jesus is our salvation. Jesus is our salvation. Jesus is our salvation. So I played that very last bridge. Of course, bridge very repetitive, so doing just the last one. For the beginning of the bridge, you're gonna just be playing that same instrumental, just on the E chord right there. We're gonna be doing the bridge 4 times. With Jesus is our salvation will be the last one, and then it repeats. You're gonna be doing that one. You're gonna be doing that for the very first 4 bridges. You're gonna build on that last bridge, so on the 4th one, it's gonna switch up a little bit. So clap your hands, move your feet, right? On the 1, Jesus, this is a celebration. You could do that 1 sus if you want to, optional, like I said. This is a celebration. You're gonna go to your 3. This is the last bridge, like I said. All the other ones is just the 1 chord. So To the 3 angels dance. To your 1 as we sing. To your 4. Jesus is our salvation. And then after that we're going to go into a tag. The tag is going to be the D minor. Jesus is our salvation. To your 1. To your 4. And Jesus is our salvation. Jesus is our salvation. This is our salvation. So that is your tag right there. D minor, E, and then your 4 right there. You're going to be using those chords to do the last final 2 bridges. And the last 2 bridges. So clap your hands, move your feet. This is a celebration. Angels dance as we sing. Jesus is our salvation. So hopefully you guys, that makes sense. Hopefully you guys can practice that and get that song down. It's honestly not a hard song. It's a really fun song to play, honestly. And thank you guys so much for sticking to the end. I really do appreciate you guys. Consider subscribing. Also check out the chord chart I made. I have it on my channel, on my Etsy page. If you guys are still learning the beginning, like if you are beginners, go ahead and check it out. It's very useful. Go ahead and print it out. It has your capo positions, so you can learn exactly where you need to put your capo. It also has your number system in case you haven't learned your numbers. And I have all the simplified chords. They're not like just any chord chart. I picked the exact chords that I use on this channel, so that way it's easier to switch chords. It's perfect for beginners. Don't just get a generic chord chart. It's not as good. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video, and peace out.